If you are confused between Gemma 4 and Gemini 3.1, this video will help you quickly understand the differences without wasting your time. Both are AI models from Google DeepMind, but they target completely different users. Gemini 3.1 is a powerful cloud-based AI assistant made for everyday users and businesses, while Gemma 4 is an open-weight model designed mainly for developers who want to run AI locally or customize it. So in this video, we'll compare performance, features, pricing, privacy, and who each AI is best for. What is Gemini 3.1? Gemini is Google's flagship AI assistant. It works similarly to ChatGPT and Cloudy, and it is designed for chatting, coding, research, writing, image understanding, and productivity tasks. Since it runs in the cloud, you do not need a powerful PC to use it. Main features: advanced reasoning and coding, multimodal support for text, images, audio, and video, large context window for long conversations, integration with Google services like Docs, Gmail, and Drive, available on web and mobile. Pros: very easy to use, fast responses, strong overall performance, great for students, creators, and businesses. No setup required. Cons: requires internet connection. Some advanced features are locked behind paid plans, less privacy compared to running models locally. What is Gemma 4? Gemma is Google's open-weight AI model family. Unlike Gemini, Gemma is not mainly built as a chatbot app. It is more for developers, researchers, and advanced users who want to run AI models themselves. You can use Gemma locally through tools like Ollama, LM Studio, OpenWeb UI. Main features: open-weight model can run locally on your computer, better privacy and customization, works offline, supports fine-tuning and AI development. And when talking about the pros and advantages: more control over the model, no monthly subscription required, better privacy, great for local AI projects, useful for developers and experimentation. Cons: requires decent hardware, setup can be complicated for beginners, usually not as polished as cloud AI assistants. Performance depends heavily on your PC. Performance comparison: for general users, Gemini 3.1 is usually the better option. It's optimized for everyday tasks like writing, research, coding help, productivity, AI assistant features. You simply open the app and start using it. Gemma 4 can still perform well, but local models often require tweaking, and performance may vary depending on your hardware. For developers and local AI users, Gemma 4 becomes much more interesting. If you want offline AI, local privacy, custom AI workflows, fine-tuning, API experimentation, the Gemma 4 is probably the better choice, especially if you already use tools like Ollama or LM Studio. Pricing: Gemini 3.1. Gemini offers both free and paid plans. The paid version usually gives better models, higher usage limits, more advanced features. Gemma 4 itself is free to download and run, but you may still spend money on powerful GPUs, cloud hosting, local hardware upgrades, and so on. So while the software is free, the hardware cost can become expensive. Privacy: this is one of the biggest differences. Gemini 3.1, your data is processed in the cloud. That's normal for most AI assistants, but some users prefer not to send sensitive data online. Gemma 4, because you can run it locally, your data stays on your own machine. That makes Gemma better for privacy-focused users, offline work, internal company tools. Which AI is better? Choose Gemini 3.1 if you want the easiest experience, if you need strong everyday AI features, if you do not want complicated setup, and if you mainly use AI for productivity or chatting. Choose Gemma 4 if you want local AI, if privacy matters a lot, if you are a developer or advanced user, and if you want customization and offline access. Conclusion and final verdict: for most people, Gemini 3.1 is the better overall AI because it's easier, faster, and more polished. But for developers and local AI enthusiasts, Gemma 4 is a powerful option that gives you more freedom and privacy. So really, the best AI depends on how you plan to use it. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss anything. Comment which AI tool do you prefer, Gemini 3.1 or Gemma 4, and why. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.